today we're gonna be decluttering the house in only 1 hour. I've got 10 ways to do this in record time, and afterwards you're gonna walk around the house, it's going to look clean, it's going to look put together, and you're going to feel so much better. So I hope this video gives you some inspiration, and it's really not that much of a time commitment, but it truly works. So I will have my 10-point checklist listed down below in the description box of what to follow. But first thing on the list is to set a timer for 1 hour. So I like to set it on my phone and kind of keep an eye on it just to keep up the pace. It's honestly a little mind trick, but we're also gonna put it in the corner of the video, and we're gonna get all of this done in 1 hour. Number 2 is if you have kids. So if you don't have kids, skip this step, but this is crucial. You're actually going to have your kids participate in this for only 15 minutes. You're gonna have them set a timer for 15 minutes, make it a game, have them clean up their room as fast as they can, only for 15 minutes, have them go around the house, find toys or things that belong in their room and have them put it back in their room, have them make their bed. Again, make it a game and tell them that they only have to do it for 15 minutes. And just keep in mind that this time restriction is purely brain manipulation. It really just tricks us into being more motivated. It tricks us into actually working quickly to get it done in the allotted time that we have. And we actually feel better about doing it because we realize we only have to do this not so fun task for 1 hour, or for the kids, 15 minutes. Number 3, you're going to take a trash bag and literally walk around your home quickly and try to throw away as many things as you can. And I don't mean throw away things that should be donated. I'm talking about throwing away actual trash, because I can't be the only one. I literally have trash in my house. It's ridiculous. I mean, some of it's probably from me, some from Josh, some from the kids. There's things that need to be thrown away. And so you're gonna just do a whole house sweep of trash. And hey, it might not even be that much, or it might be a lot. We're all at different levels, but this is a good starting point. And then we're gonna take another trash bag. Okay, this is number 4. We're going to take another trash bag and walk around the house and try to find as many things that you can donate. Now this, I really want you to try to fill up the trash bag. I know you can do it. There's so many things in our home that we do not need, and we know we don't need them. We know that we are annoyed by the unnecessary clutter things. We just haven't taken the time to actually place it in a bag or a box to donate. So this is what you're gonna do. Literally go around the house and find as many things that you can donate. The next thing on the checklist is to walk around your house and find any clothes or shoes that should be put away, or clothes that are actually dirty that need to go in the laundry. And that's just real life. I will find dirty socks on the floor. I will find sweatshirts laying around that are probably just fine that need to be hung back up. I'll find coats that need to be put in the coat closet. Sometimes there's shoes laying around that need to be put away. This step really goes by fast. It probably only takes a few minutes, but it will definitely make a big difference. The next item on the checklist is my laundry basket trick. And I made this up, and it's not gonna take that long either because we've already done quite a few sweeps through the house. But it's when you take a laundry basket and move room to room and find items that don't really belong in that particular room, put them in the laundry basket, move to the next room, see if anything in that room is in the laundry basket for you to put away, and you really just move from room to room to room, putting things back where they actually belong. Okay, this next step is crucial, okay? I think this is what's going to make the biggest impact out of everything, and it's focusing on your flat surfaces, okay? So I'm talking about your kitchen counter, your island, your kitchen table, maybe your bathroom counters, maybe your end tables in your living room. Anywhere that has a flat surface, we have a tendency to put things on there. And that's what is causing us to feel like our house is dirty, that our house is too cluttered. We accumulate too many things on these flat surfaces. So what I want you to do is walk around your house and try to clear off as many things as you can from these flat surfaces. And, just work to put them away, move them to where they should be, make the flat surfaces clean. Now make sure you're checking your time, because again, we're only doing this for an hour. So each step only has around like 6 to 7 minutes until you need to move on to the next thing. So keep that in mind. Obviously some steps you need to focus on a little bit more. Other steps are gonna be like a breeze and kind of instant. So you kind of can allot time to other areas. You know what I'm trying to say. But the next thing, food. We're gonna go to the pantries and we're gonna go to the refrigerator, and you're gonna throw away anything that's stale, anything that's been in the refrigerator too long, maybe leftovers that have gone bad. Just try to get rid of anything that no one's actually going to eat. Number 9, these are gonna be your best friends. So you're gonna go around, we don't have time to vacuum our whole house, no. So we're gonna be lazy about it, but it's still going to make a difference. So if you have hardwood floors or stairs or whatever, you're just gonna go around, spot treat, pick up any loose debris anywhere with a lovely handheld vacuum, use whatever you have. If you have carpets, guys, I've been freaking pushing this chomchom roller like crazy. This is so good to spot treat carpets, upholstery. It just instantly works, especially if you have pet hair and cats and dogs or whatever, but even if you don't, it just works wonders on carpet. Now I am gonna try my hardest to get a discount code for this chomchom roller on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and then I'm gonna put the code here on the screen if I'm successful, and you can enter this code at checkout for an additional percentage off. This is not sponsored at all. I just in the past was able to get a discount code, so fingers crossed I can get another one. We've made it to number 10, guys. You did it. You have made a huge difference in your house in only 1 hour, and the last step that we're gonna do is simply make our bed, okay? Maybe you already did this for the day, in which case you're done, but go make your bed, and then when you're done, flop onto it, feel accomplished. You have made a difference in your home today, and it wasn't that bad. So please subscribe if you're new. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next one.